Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make custom ringtones in iTunes for free. It's really easy and simple, and all you have to do is pick a song you like and do some custom extensions and stuff like that. So first off, pick the song you want to use. So I'm going to do Yellow Submarine, for example. You want to right click and click Get Info, click Options. So you want to have the start time of when you want to do it, and the stop time, you want that to be 30 seconds because ringtones generally last around 40 seconds, but I like it 30. Okay, so after that, click OK, then click Create AAC Version. Drag the AAC version out here into your desktop, then delete it. Remove, but you want to keep the file. Next, you want to rename this extension so that it's not M4A but M4R. Then click Use M4R, drag it into your library, and there you have it. So next time you sync your iPhone to your computer, you will have your custom ringtone on it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.